Good afternoon from the sunny Netherlands, vintagemotorcycles.nl, and today we have two Kawasaki's, and I would like to know which one is your favorite. I think I know, but let us know. We have this very rare Kawasaki KZ1000 Z1R TC, the turbo cooled. As you can see, the carburetor is not mounted yet. The bike has been in storage for 24 years. So we're going to inspect the bike, get it up and running. And well, then we'll see what to do. The bike is almost completely original. Not original. But seat, paintwork. It's number 005. And it's also in the frame. So it's one of the first that was made in '77. And this bike has 130 PS with the turbo. Unique bike. A collector's item. And then at the other side, we have a Z1R, but completely customized by the owner. And I prefer personally original, but I also have a West Cooley Suzuki Yoshimura, also like a super bike. And I must say, great bike, looking great. And I think this bike is also looking great. Changes that are made are very nice. Wheels, brakes, exhaust. Sit position is different because of the steps are more to the back. Front wheel is smaller. And engine is running really good. So if you're interested in one of these bikes, you can contact me, call me, visit me in the Netherlands, in the south of the Netherlands. And we can also schedule a video call if you're from another country and it's difficult to visit us. No problem. We have more than 200 bikes in stock, but only two Z1Rs. And in this case, both are very special. Well, the Z1R here is on the website with all the information, and now we have a special price for summer. The turbo is not on the site yet because we have to mount the carburetor first and then get it up and running. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe or keep following us on our socials. Thank you, bye bye.